welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to make UK Garage in the style of Izco, inspired by his 2020 EP Tech 5. The project file, samples, and presets are available for a small contribution in the description, along with a couple of bonus presets. If you learned something from this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and check out my UK Garage breaks packs if you produce in this style, and I'll link these below as well. Our BPM is 135, and we're roughly in the key of G sharp minor. So if we take a look at some of the chords, there are notes outside of the scale. And this is a jazzy feature of many of Izco's tracks. First, we have the kick. This skippy two-step pattern is characteristic of tracks like Feel and Traffic, amongst others, as is the 909 style sample. I've used an auto filter to dampen the kick. Next, we have the drums group. First, we have the snares. Izco favors bright snares and grimy rim shots, so that's what I've used here, and his grime influences in tunes like Digits and Tech 5 shouldn't be overlooked. Then we have the high perks. So here we have a mixture of shakers, hat samples, and this live hat loop. Both the shakers and hats are in choke groups, and this tightens up the percussion. I've used the triplet grid for some of these closed hats. The two-step shuffle that I've applied to everything in the drums group and to the keys as well also emphasizes this triplet feel. The groove's timing is higher than what I'd ordinarily use because of how swung Izco's rhythms are. The hat loop creates a live feel and sort of glues the other high percussion together. I'm not sure if Izco uses live hat loops, but some of the hat samples he uses feel very live, and this works well alongside the live feeling keys. Finally, we have the perks. With the break chop layered with the rims at points. On the drums group, I have this rack with a clean channel and isotope vinyl on a parallel channel. Then there's drum bus in parallel, saturator and EQ. Reverb is applied via Sende, but I haven't used too much as Izco's drums tend to be very dry, and I've chosen the empty club preset. Next, we have the basses. In Feel and Traffic, Izco's bass lines are sparse, so I've tried to emulate this here. First, we have this pulse bass. In Serum, the sub-oscillator is a sine wave taken down by 2 octaves, with its level taken down a little. Oscillator A is this add seconds waveform, again down by 2 octaves, with its wavetable position modulated by envelope 2, which is also modulating the cutoff of this low-pass filter. LFO1 is modulating the pitch slightly, and there's distortion in the effects. There's an EQ on the channel. In fact, all of the basses have an EQ, high passed below their lowest harmonic to remove muddiness. Next, we have this deep bass, which is similar to a donk. This patch is very similar to the previous bass, but there's no sub-oscillator, and the shape of envelope 2 is a more staccato pluck. There's no pitch modulation either, although there's still distortion. Finally, we have the wobble. We have a square wave taken down by 2 octaves, and this low pass filter with its cutoff modulated by LFO1. Again, there's distortion in the effects. On the group, there's drum bus, parallel glue, multi-band sidechain compression of just the lows, and a rack with the kick sidechaining just the lows. Reverb is applied via A. Next, we have the effects. Pretty standard stuff for the genre. The siren is made in Serum. We have a square wave with its unison at 3 and microcorg noise with this LFO modulating the master tuning. In the effects, there's distortion, EQ, and delay. On the channel, I'm narrowing the stereo field, saturating, and removing harshness with a filter. And on the group, there's drum bus, vinyl, and we're using the pitch warping, EQ, chorus, and a dubby echo, plus reverb via A. Next, we have the keys. So we have the first electric piano, these are variations of G-sharp 9 chords, and I mostly jammed out the melodies. All the MIDI notes have been taken off the grid, which creates the loose live feel. I'm sure Izco plays them in, which I would have done, but I'm not a very good keys player. For both of these, I've used Labs and this electric piano chorus preset. Then we have the second electric piano. The chords here are A sharp minor 11, F sharp minor 9, and B major 6. These are the types of jazzy chords you'll want to be using if you want to make this style of garage. Finally, I have this organ, which is a preset from Live called Organ House. And it uses this percussive organ wavetable, which is a harmony of the first and third intervals. On the group, there's parallel drum bus, vinyl. Again, we have the pitch warping, EQ, chorus, echo, and reverb via A. Finally, we have the vocals. I'll link the original version of these vocals below. I've emulated the vibe and arrangement of Feel here. A quarter note delay is used on the vocals in that track. On the group, we have the same inserts and plugins as the effects, but we're using even more pitch warping with vinyl this time. And finally, reverb via A. And that's the video. Please leave any questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.